Hi engineers, today we are going to see one of the important theorem, that is Bernoulli's theorem. So it will be used for in M1, M2 as well as M3 and then also in future. Okay, so let's look into this. So integration of single term is very easy, but when we have two terms, it will become a little bit complicated. So for example, we consider a case of x square plus 2x into cos x dx. See, if we have only x square plus 2x, it is very simple. What will be the integration of x square plus 2x? For x square, it will be x cube by 3, and for 2x, it will be 2x square by 2. If cos x is separately, we have integration of cos x, we know it will be sin x. But when we have two terms together, for solving, it will be a little bit difficult. For that, Bernoulli has introduced a theorem that is known as Bernoulli's theorem. So this makes the sums very simple. So in this, what you want to tell us is, if you have two terms, consider one as u, another one as dv. It should be both are from the x terms. So one we have to consider as u, another one as dv. So if we have integration of u dv, we can write it as u v minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus so on. Okay, so it will be a continuous equation. Okay, so in this, one of the important thing is what we are going to select u and what we are going to select dv. It is little bit a tricky task, but if you understand Bernoulli's equation, it will be very simple. See, this equation is going on to be continued, so you have to select two terms, one is u, another one is dv. See, what is u? It is becoming u dash, u double dash, u triple dash. That means it is getting differentiated. V, it is v1, v2, v3, that is integrating. So in this, v is integrated to v1, v1 is integrated to v2, v2 is integrated to v3. In a similar fashion, u is differentiated into u dash, it is again differentiated into u double dash, it is again differentiated into u triple dash, and the sign will be positive, negative, positive, negative. So we have two terms. See, if we take cos x, if we differentiate, it will become sine, and again it will become minus sine, and minus sine, it will become cos. So the sequence will be going on and it will be not stopping at any point of time. So the u which you are going to select should become 0. So this can become 0 at some point. See, if we are using x square, if we differentiate, it will become 2x. Then again, if we differentiate, it will become 2, and again it will become 0. If one term becomes 0, the equation will be stopped. Okay, so you have to select such a way that the term which are going to be 0 should be your u. So in this case, this can't be the u. So which will be the u? It will be u will be x square plus 2x. So ultimately we know what is the dv. Dv is nothing but another term, cos x dx. Okay, so we are going to differentiate this. What is u dash? So x square differentiation will be 2x, and 2x differentiation will be 2. Then we have to again differentiate. This x will become 1, so we have 2. This will become 0. And the next step, if we have differentiate thrice, this will become 0. Okay, so this is integration. So first dv, when we integrate it will become v. What is the integration of cos x? It is sin x dx. When we again integrating to v1, the integration of sine will be minus cos. So this is minus cos x dx. What about v2? It will be cos will be sin x dx. What about v3? That is not needed. It will be plus cos x dx, but that is not required because see the formula. It is u triple dash into v3. U triple dash is already 0. So whatever may be the v3 term, it will be also 0. So stop the equation over here. So this equation can be written as that is integration of x square plus 2x into cos x dx can be written as is u dv, that is uv. What is u? U is x square plus 2x into what is v? That is sin x. Okay, so just don't write this dx. Don't write this dx. Okay, so dx will come with the integration. So this is the first part. Always what you do, each part write in a complete bracket. So what is the next term? Next term is minus u dash v1. This is u dash and this is v1. What is u dash? U dash is 2x plus 2 and this is minus cos x. This is the second term. What about the third term? That is plus u double dash v2. What is u double dash is 2. What is v2? That is minus sin x. So what you do, for each u term put inside a bracket, for each v term put inside the bracket, and for the single uv put a bigger bracket so that it will reduce all our positive negative mistakes and all. Okay, so this can be written as x square plus 2x into sin x, and this can be written as this complete term is will be minus into plus will be minus and minus into minus will be plus, so you can write as plus 2x plus 2 cos x and minus into plus will be minus, so minus 2 sin x. Make sure whenever you are doing integration you have to write plus c. Okay, so this we have a sine term, here we have a sine term, so we can take sin x as common. So what will be remaining inside? X square plus 2x and this minus 2 will be coming inside into sin x, and this term that is plus 2x plus 2 cos x plus c. Okay, so we can split this term as two sine term and cos term. So in cos term it is this, in sine term we have minus 2, so we can take sin x common. So what left in this term? X square plus 2x, and what is left in this? Minus 2. Okay, so this is the answer, x square plus 2x minus 2 sin x plus 2x plus 2 cos x plus c. Okay, so Bernoullis will be always used in the future, so make sure you learn it properly. So this is nothing but simple integration of u dv, that is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus dot dot dot. So when we have two x terms, when it is difficult to integrate, we can go for Bernoullis theorem. And what the mistake we will do is, for writing uv will multiply this two, so make sure don't do this mistake, write it separately, and you are going to join u and v, u dash and v1, u double dash and v2, and if u triple dash is 0, don't go for v3. Okay, so practice this well. This is one of the important theorem which will be going to be used in m2 as well as m3, so make sure your concept is clear and you practice it well. Okay, thank you.